Hello guys and welcome to Infinity Passive Income. So today's video I will talk about my new business online. I create this channel to help people making an increase in their sales on branch and demand, such as Redbubble, Amazon Merch, KDP, etc. And I enjoy every moment making those videos because it's my main business that time. And the best feeling is when one from you guys send me a message on my Facebook profile that he made sales with my strategies, especially if he made her first sale. So I really proud and I love that feeling, and that was motivate me to making more videos, having more tips and tricks help you to be successful in your brand and demand journey. But recently I start a new business online. This business generate to me great profit in just 3 months, more than branch and demand can generate to me in 1 year. I start affiliate marketing from the last April, and I take some courses online from huge affiliate marketers and watch some YouTube videos, and then I start my journey. So I will very happy if you follow me in this long journey. I have a goal and I want to share it with you guys. I want to achieve my first $1 million before the age of 30. So it's a big challenge for me and I have a great determination to do it. So I will glad if you follow me in this journey, and I will share with you guys any tips and tricks I will learn it, but I will still making videos about branch and demand because I still making designs and upload designs on Amazon Merch and KDP. And for Redbubble, I stopped it a while ago because my Redbubble account generate daily sales for me since I had some ranked designs. So I will still making content about these topics, but I want to focus on my affiliate marketing journey by allocate all my time and my effort. So guys, this is it for this video. If you like the video and you want to follow me in this journey, I will much appreciate it if you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bells. And yeah guys, stay safe guys. This is your friend Saad was with you guys, and see you on the next video.